Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to mac and cheese without milk, full guide. Start by preparing pasta and measuring ingredients precisely, then choose your dairy substitutes and flavor boosters to match your taste. Use starches, cheese, broth, or cream alternatives to create a velvety texture. I will walk you through timing, whisking, and seasoning tips so your final dish is smooth, cheesy, and satisfying even without traditional milk. Begin by listing ingredients and choosing the right substitutes for milk. I recommend sharp cheese, butter, a starch like flour or cornstarch, and flavorful add-ins such as mustard or paprika. Broth, cream alternatives, or reserved pasta water provide body and mouthfeel. Measure carefully and grate cheese fresh for best melting. These choices create a stable, creamy sauce without milk, while keeping texture and flavor balanced for each bite. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes kitchen cleanup effortless while your mac and cheese simmers, and its smart mapping saves time for more cooking. It glides under cabinets and handles crumbs with ease, so you spend less time sweeping. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Cook pasta slightly under al dente so it finishes cooking in the sauce. Create a roux with butter and flour or a cornstarch slurry to thicken, then slowly whisk in broth or cream alternative until silky. Fold in grated cheese off heat to avoid graininess, and add reserved pasta water as needed to adjust consistency. Taste and season gradually, and let the dish rest briefly so flavors meld before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.